श्रीमद् भागवतम अष्टम स्कंद द्वितीय अध्याय। जत्र संगीत सन्नाद नदत गुह ममर्षया अभिगर्जन्ति हारया श्लाघिन परशंक नानारण्य पशुभ्रात संकुल द्रोणांकृत चित्रद्रुम सुरदान कलकंठ विहंगम। गजेंद्र मक्खन प्रसंग याद करते every year on the occasion of observance of Damodar Vrata, Kartik Vrata, we remember about the topic of Gajendra Makhan. Srihari accepting Hari Medhasha and Harini as parents and appeared as Hari and is rescued Gajendra, the leader of the wild elephants, a formidable leader, from a crocodile. That crocodile is this world. We are all being attacked by the crocodile, world crocodile. How we can get deliverance, we can know by going through this topic. In Kartik Vrata, if you hear it, you will get more benefit if you go through this topic in other occasions and other days. You will get more, you may say, 1,000,000 times more benefit. For that reason, every year we remember this. Here, Sukadeva Goswami first narrated the place where Srihari has appeared. When Srihari performs anywhere, any kind of pastimes, if you hear about that place, also it will increase devotion. It will sanctify your heart. There is milk ocean, big milk ocean. In that milk ocean, there is a mountain, not small mountain, 80,000 miles long. Narrative. Several worlds, now this earth will go inside it. 80,000 miles in long. So much breadth, so much height. And there are many peaks, of them 3 prominent peaks of iron, of silver and of gold. During daytime, when sun rises, the rays reflects on the silver peak and also on the golden peak, and there are others surrounded by other peaks. The whole area is dazzling, and there are many gems, many metals, and gems of green colored gems, emerald. And by the light, the foot, the bottom of the mountain has become green color. there are many caves, not small cave. In one cave, whole Europe can be enter into it. It is not a small cave. And in that caves, all the demigods, there are different kinds of demigods, they are staying there. Gandharva, Kinnor, etc. They are singing songs there. Sweet songs. They are dancing and singing. And there is one cave of pythons, great serpents. And another cave, there are other caves also. But wild beasts, they stay there. Lions are roaring, and that roaring sound is resounding. On hearing the resounding sound, the lions think that some other lion is showing his power to us. And they become very much enraged. They are again retaliates with double force. Roar. Have you seen any time lion? Yeah? Lion's nature is cannot tolerate any other opposite party, another elephant's power. Cannot tolerate. They become enraged. And there are sounds and resounds, all these things. It is narrating the place so much beautiful in worldly sense also. And again it is said, again বলা হচ্ছে নানা অরণ্য পশুব্রাত সংকুল দ্রোণ অলঙ্কৃত নানা যে অরণ্যে ভবা উৎপন্না পশব গবাশ্বাদয় তেষাং প্রাতৈ সমূহৈ সংকুলাভি ব্যক্তাভি দ্রোণীভি পর্বত প্রান্ত দেশৈ অলঙ্কৃতঃ চিত্রদ্রুম সুরদ্দান কলকণ্ঠ বিহঙ্গম তথা চিত্রা দ্রুমা যেষু তেষু. So this mountain's name is Trikut. And on the border of this Trikut mountain, Prantadesh, extremity of the Trikut mountain, this mountain, and the border of the mountain, extremity of the mountain, there are many wild beasts. Wild beasts of ferocious wild beasts. Some we will find in Assam there. And we had been to America and other places, Honolulu. There are forests, but no wild beasts. They have killed all beasts. They have not brought any wild beasts there. They are afraid of the wild beasts. You will not even find serpent there. But here in this mountain there are ferocious wild beasts and also different types of trees and also garden of the demigods, big garden. In that garden many birds, they are singing with sweet voice, narrating the Trikut mountain. What is the scenery, the beautiful scenery of the mountain, which you will find now in this world. And more than this, Sharir Sarabhir Achadai Purinair Mani Balugai देवस्त्री मज्जनामद सौरभाम्बु नीलैर्युतः अच्छेदै अच्छेदकै निर्मल जलै सरित सरभि नदी सरोवरै तथा मणि बालुकै मनय एव बालुका केशुत्वै तथा भूतै पुलिनै नदी तटे तथा देवस्त्री मज्जना आमद सौरभम्बु नीलै देवस्त्रीरां सुर नारीणां मज्जनेन अवगाहनेन ज आमद देह सुगंध तेन सौरभयुक्त युक्तानि अम्बुनि जलानि अनिलाश्च वायवसुक्तै जुत युक्त त्रिकुट आस्ते Trikut Parbat, the Trikut mountain, there are sandbank beach in this. When we have been to Santa Cruz, Tenerife, we saw many visitors there coming there to see the sea beach and sandbank by the side of the river, etc. And Monumai Palikar, and there is sand full of adorned with gems, precious stones, dazzling stones, and there are rivers, and with pure water, and lakes with pure water. So many things. Those visitors, though, they travel the whole world to see such scenery, and here everything they will get. And in those lakes and rivers, the wives of the demigods, they take their bath. The wives of the demigods, they have the fragrance. That fragrance is taken by the air, and the whole area has become fragrant. There is a sweet scent is there. You cannot imagine in this world such a place is it. More than that, tasya drannang bhagavata varunasya mahatmanaha उद्दानम ऋतुमत नाम आक्रीरं सुरजोषितां सर्वत अलंकृतं दिव्यै नित्य पुष्पफलद्रुमै मंदारै पारिजातैश्च पाटल शोकचंपकै जूतै पियालै पनसै आम्रै आम्रतकैरपि कुरुमुकै नारिकेलैश्च खज्जरै बीजपुरकै मधुकै शालतालैश्च तमालैरसना अज्जुरै अरिष्टारुमरा प्लक्कै बटै किंशुकचंदनै पिचुमर्दै कविदारै सरलै सुरदारोभि द्राक्षै अक्षुरम भाज अम्बुभि बदर्जक्ष भयामलै मंदार पारिजात पाटल অশোক, চম্পক, চ্যুত, পিয়াল, পনস, আম্র, আম্রাতক, গুবাক, নারিকেল, খজ্জুর, দারিম্ব, মধুক, শাল, তাল, তমাল, অসন, অর্জুন, অরিষ্ট, উরুম্বর, প্লক্ষ, অশ্বত্থ, বট, কিংসুক, চন্দন, পিচুমর্দ, কবিদার, সরল, দেবদারু, দ্রাক্ষ, ইক্ষু, রম্ভা, জম্বু, বদরী, অক্ষ, অভয়। But not that. Dhanvantari is the manifestation of Supreme Lord. Wonderful. There are so many trees, but we do not know this. There are herbs, these trees, what is the benefit of these trees? Nowadays this science has been lost. You will find in Atharva Ved, in the Atharva Ved, how to treat. There are medicines. And Supreme Lord has appeared as Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari, the great physician, unfailing treatment. Those who have got the grace of Dhanvantari in the preceptoral channel, if they treat, he will be, there is certainly will be cured without any difficulty. But now this science has been lost. Preceptoral channel has been lost. They do not know all these trees' name, how they will prepare medicine. That preceptoral channel has been lost. But yet they are doing. You will find efficacy from the treatment. And one of our god brother, he was in his boyhood, he was with us in the mott. Afterwards he returned to his household life. And there he was with his wife and children, and he was cultivating in the land. Perchance, by climbing the tree, he fell down and he has got fracture, total fracture of the leg. And all the devotees they came, you should go to Guwahati for treatment. You have to remain there for 2 months like this. And we are giving you money. Then how my family will be maintained? I shall not go. You will die. No, I shall not die. I shall treat myself. He went to the forest. He brought creepers, some creepers. He brought some herbs and some roots of the trees, and he fastened the whole leg. This is fact. And he was crying with pain for 2-3 days. On the 7th day he was moving. He was moving. This fracture joint. By those herbs, what doctors will say? He has got no septic, nothing. He did not die. Without any payment. Previously, such was at that time when Dhanvantari appeared, those physicians had got direct knowledge, and they could give medicine, such medicine, which medicine will cure the disease from the cause, will uproot the disease, not only by allopathic treatment, by suppressing. They used to uproot the disease, like that. But we do not know these names, only have uttered. In Western country will find Neptune. There's one planet, and they think the Neptune is the sea god. Sagar Karak Sagar. That much they can say. But in our Indian scriptures, behind the water there is one Devata, one deity is there. That is called Varundev. Jaladhipa, Varundev. He has got one garden here in this mountain with so many trees, etc. Already Sukadeva Goswami has said that all these narration we have to go through, whether we understand or not. An original Sanskrit word should be used, and it will have an effect. It is like mantra, like incantation. Mantra. Whether we understand or not, we have to read. Matsya Kachava Sancharjalat Padraja Payaha Kadamba Petasa Nala Nipa Banjulapai Britam Kundai Kurubakashakai Sirishai Puta Jingudai Kubjakai Sharna Juthivi Naga Punnaga Jativi Mallika Shatapatrashcha Madhavi Jalakaradhivi Shobitam Tirajais Chanai Nittartu Bhiram Trumai. It has been narrated here. All this in that garden of Neptune, if we say Neptune sea god, or we say water god, he has got a big garden there. In that garden, so many trees are there. Now in that garden there is one lake, big lake, and by the side so many trees are there, and in the water so many aquatic animals. All this has been narrated here. Now the actual by with Gajendra, about Gajendra, how Gajendra was rescued by Srihari, he appeared there. Now that topic has come. Once there is one formidable elephant there, leader of the wild elephants. He is residing there, very powerful. And that elephant was very much thirsty. So he was going to that garden of the god of the water, sea god or water god, what do we say, Varundev. In his garden there is a big lake to drink water, and there are also road, but he was not going by the road. He was going straight. Whatever he was finding on the way, all the trees and bamboos, all the thorns, etc., they are full of thorns, and begging like a roller, and was going, and at the rear, all his other wives, his sea elephants, and other children, other relations, other elephants, they are also going. They are going very easily. And he was making the road like a roller. He will go straight, he will not go there. So formidable. And by destroying all the trees, bamboos, etc., everything on the way, and to go to that lake to drink water, like this. Now we think Gajendra was going, and by the year the scent of the Gajendra was now it is spread over throughout a very large area, and all the other beasts like lions, like other leaders of the wild elephants, and other tigers, and other rhinoceros, and pythons, all the big beasts When they get this scent of that Gajendra, they are flying from that place, fleeing. They will not remain. If that Gajendra see, he will kill everything. Everybody is afraid to think what a formidable elephant is.